is Samyang, the Tom Yum flavor, which is like shrimp and lime or something, I think. Never had this flavor before, so excited to try it. I added some extra carbonara samyang sauce in the bottle and some cheese. No milk, because I'm out. I don't think I really like the lime flavor with it. Have you guys had this flavor before? What do you think about it? It's interesting. I don't think I'm a fan. I mean, it's not awful. I'll eat it, but I don't think I'll be repurchasing. Something about that just doesn't go together for me. Hello. Honestly, I think this is my least favorite flavor I've had out of all the Samyangs. Well, I hate corn, so maybe corn's below this. I haven't retried corn though since the first time I had it, so maybe I should retry corn? Question mark?